In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly review everything that's been finished across your work. This is perfect when you want a clean snapshot of progress without digging through individual lists. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app, whichever you usually use. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand panel. This sidebar is your main navigation, and it's where you'll find access to your spaces, tasks, and high-level views. From here, click Dashboard. Dashboards in ClickUp are like your mission control, a single place to see summaries, activity, and results. Next, click New Dashboard. Creating a fresh dashboard keeps things focused and avoids the noise of older setups, which can be especially helpful if you only care about completed work right now. When the prompt appears, you'll be asked to select a location. In ClickUp, a location is the scope of data you want this dashboard to pull from. Think of it as the boundaries for what you'll see. You can choose a space, a folder, or a specific list, whatever makes the most sense for how your team organizes work. If you're tracking a single project, pick its list. If you want a broader roll-up, choose the relevant folder or space. After you choose the location, click it to confirm your selection. This tells ClickUp exactly where to look for your data. Then click Create Dashboard. ClickUp will build the dashboard based on the location you selected. Give it a moment to load. Once it does, you'll land in your new dashboard view. Here, you'll instantly see your completed tasks. Because the dashboard is scoped to your chosen location, any task marked as done, completed, or an equivalent finished status within that area will be reflected. This gives you a clear, at-a-glance summary of progress without needing to open each list or filter multiple times. It's a simple way to validate what's been shipped, confirm milestones are closing, or prep for a status update with your team. A few tips as you review. Make sure you selected the location that truly represents the work you care about, since the dashboard reflects only that area. If your team uses custom status names, ClickUp still treats the final status as completed, so finished tasks will appear accordingly. And remember, dashboards are dynamic. Each time tasks are completed in that location, your view will update automatically. That's it. Open your account, go to Dashboard, create a new one, select the right location, and your completed tasks will be right there, ready for review.